All right, guys, I'm coming on here to share my results with my astrology predictions. First off, I want to say I'm typically not one to brag. I'm even a little reluctant to make this video. You can ask anyone in my family, any one of my friends, that I am not a person who, I guess you could say, toots my own horn very often. But I think this is important. When I started the Crypto Astro channel in the beginning, I had a friend give me feedback, and he said that I should track my results as I go. When I make predictions, to track, what are the results that actually happen, to make sure, what I'm doing here has accuracy, and I'm not just throwing things out there, that aren't necessarily providing value. I want to make sure that I'm giving real value here. And there's many astrologers out there who make all these predictions, but then they don't really look back and track like how in integrity they are. Here are my astrology prediction results. These are the updated results up to the date of this video. I have I've even surprised myself. I've remained above 90% with my accuracy here, guys. So this is pretty awesome. I've gone through all of these in the earlier months of the year, in the first half of the year. You can check out my previous two videos on my astrology predictions. So let's go to August. So I predicted that in August, September will be slow for Bitcoin. I said we could head down to 27K, probably not lower. Now, I was not completely accurate with this one, so I'm gonna, hold integrity on this. So what happened in August? Let's look at the Bitcoin. And what happened in August was we did head down lower than 27K. And then leading into September, as you know, we headed down to a little bit below 25K before we headed back up. And now we're looking quite bullish. So I gave myself half for that. I did say we were going to head down. I did talk about it as being a bearish time. But since I said 27K and that wasn't correct, I'll just give myself a half point for that. And then I said that Bitcoin will be dumping in the summer. I gave myself like 75% on that, like 3/4, because we did see a major pump. But then we still did head down in the summer months. Quite a lot. We headed down almost all the way back to where we were back in June. So let me know what you guys think about that. Am I being fair with that one? Jupiter in Taurus, I said, is bullish for Bitcoin. Yeah, Jupiter's been in Taurus ever since, I believe, March, around there. And we've been just heading up pretty bullish here. We're definitely in a bullish pattern now. And overall, the trend is up. August Mercury retrograde happened on August 23rd, and I was predicting that we're going to see a dump and sideways action. What happened? Mercury retrograde was back here, and we saw sideways action. Okay, we just kind of headed down a bit. Overall, Mercury retrograde was bearish and just sideways action. Then August 30th, we had predicting a full moon, not a big pump likely. And what we did see was, okay, we did see that pump. Yeah, so we saw a lot of volatility, but we saw a pump and a dump. It just dumped down further than where we started. All right, so, since there was a pump that was higher than expected, I'll give myself 50% on that one, but we did head down after that. September 15th, new moon conjunct the Bitcoin Saturn, volatile and bearish. I was saying Bitcoin is probably not going up to 20K yet. So September 15th, we were just, we got up to 27.5, but we didn't get up there yet. We got rejected and headed back down. Then dump on October 5th. And what did we get on October 5th? We got that dump from more than 28K all the way down to 27,340, around there. It's really important to note that we are now headed directly into a solar eclipse and then a lunar eclipse. And what happens in eclipses, every single time we see major market shifts, we see major world shifts as well. So as you can see, the first eclipse is coming up here, October 14th, Pacific Standard Time. And then the second eclipse on October 29th. So what do we want to do before then? We want to prepare. We want to make sure that we are set up for success and we are prepared for major changes that could be happening very, very soon on October 14th. And so one thing I am offering to support whoever is interested, whoever feels called, is I'm offering private sessions to harness the power of astrology to create a winning crypto plan for 2023 and beyond. So if you want to take advantage of my 90% accuracy with my astrology crypto predictions, then jump on this. I will look at your personal astrology chart to help you make very critical decisions at this time. Some of the people I've been working with are making big decisions even in their careers, or maybe they're even selling a home. People are thinking about relocating as well. I can support you by looking at the astrology with that. To help you see what the stars have aligned for you at this time. I can even look out the next few months, what the stars are saying. Because I can look at specific themes with where the planets are in the sky and what they're saying about you specifically. I can help you create a strong bulletproof crypto strategy at this time. It's really, really important as we could be seeing a major market shift coming up here. If you want to make sure that your assets are protected and you're prepared for the worst, but you're set up for success, these sessions are limited. If you want to sign up, you click this button here. Now, I do have special for you. I want to be of the highest support to help those who are interested at this specific time. Right now, the session typically goes for $497. However, I do have a coupon code. And if you type this coupon code in right here, then that price will go down to, if spots are available still, that price will go down to only $200. So jump on this, ideally before the eclipse is heading up here. Take advantage of this 90% accuracy that's still going right now. I'm looking forward to seeing you on that session and supporting you. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you on the next one.